Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did vraagwoorde, question words in Afrikaans. This time we will cover sport in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 18, Sport. As part of our vocabulary series, we go over sport in Afrikaans. Sport forms a significant part of South African culture. In Suid-Afrika, the biggest sport is Sokker, of football. In Afrikaans, Sokker is the preferred word to avoid confusion because rugby also used to be called football. Because of the diverse nature of South Africa, you will find that the different cultural groups will prefer different sports. Soccer is the black Africans' favorite sport. Suid-Afrikaners also like giving their national teams nicknames, byname. Die nasionale sokkerspan se bynaam is Bafana. Bafana means the boys. South Africa also had the privilege of hosting the 2010 FIFA World Cup, die 2010 FIFA Wêreldbeker. Die 2010 FIFA Wêreldbeker. My persoonlike gunsteling Wêreldbeker. My persoonlike gunsteling Wêreldbeker. Krieket. In South Africa, cricket is largely enjoyed by the white, English and South African Indians. Die nasionale cricketspan is ook bekend as die Proteas. Die nasionale cricketspan is ook bekend as die Proteas. Die bynaam is gebaseer op die Suid-Afrikaanse nasionale blom, die koningsprotea. Die bynaam is gebaseer op die Suid-Afrikaanse nasionale blom, die koningsprotea. The Proteas have always done decent in international games. This year they once again reached the ODI World Cup semi-finals. Rugby. Sometimes also pronounced as rugby, of rugby. Rugby might not be the largest sport, but it has had a massive effect in recent years. Rugby is the Afrikaners' favorite sport. Die rugby span word ook genoem die Springbokke. This year we won the Rugby World Cup for the 4th time, the most of any country, and doing it back to back. Ons is die beste rugby nasie in die wêreld. Netbal. In schools and South African culture, the above-mentioned sport are usually male-orientated. But netball is exclusively for women. Die netbal span is ook bekend as die Proteas. This year South Africa hosted the Netbal World Cup. Suid-Afrika het vanjaar die Netbal Wêreldbeker aangebied. Ek vind netbal 'n lekker sport. Let's look at some more sports. Tennis. Hockey. Swim. Waterpolo. Hardloop. Of draf. Skaak. Gymnastiek. Boogskiet. Fietsry. Golf. Boks. Tafeltennis. pluimbal, pluimbal. Baan- en veldatletiek, baan- en veldatletiek. Thank you for watching. Next time we do directions in Afrikaans, aanwysings. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.